In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a database from cPanel. At first, log into cPanel. After logging in, scroll down, and under the Databases section, click on Manage My Database. In this page, you can view and manage all your databases. To create a new database, enter your new database name and click Create Database. It will show a success message. That means your database has been created. However, you also need a database user because without a DB user, you can't access the database, nor can you build a website or integrate with another app. That's why simply click on Go Back. Scroll down and find the Add New User section. Give your database user a name and a strong password. Note the password down somewhere you trust. Then click on Create User. Now again, go back. Scroll down and find the Add User to Database section. Select your newly created database and the user. Then click on Add. Check the All Privileges box and click on Make Changes. It will show a success message. That means your database is completely ready to use. Now you can use this database with any supported application or website. Thanks for being with HostCreed. To stay tuned, subscribe to us.